distribution for the following data using 46 as the lowest limit. Sorry, correct natin to. Nagkamali ako dito. Lowest ito. Tanggalin ko lang to, class. So this is lowest limit and 5 as the class interval. Okay, so 5 daw yung class interval natin dito. So, looking at the number of observations, so ilan ba to? 68, 83, 90, 65, 69. So, those are 5. So, for every column, meron tayong 5 numbers. And then we have how many columns? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 7 column multiplied by 5. So, that is a total of 35 number of observation. So, we have raw data pa dito. Raw data pa itong mako-consider natin, class. And tingnan natin, may 46 ba dito? Hanapin natin yung 46. Ano ba yung pinakamababa natin? Can you tell me, class, ano yung pinakamababa natin dito?
48, ma'am.
48 lang, no? So, 48 lang yung lowest limit natin. Pero, the problem states that let us consider 46 daw as our lowest limit. So, gamitin natin ngayon yung 46. So, we start from our number of class. Dun sa first class natin, mag-start tayo ngayon ng 46. Okay? And then, our class interval daw is 5. Paano ba natin nakukuha yung class interval? Di ba yung class interval, we arrive at this amount kapag dineduct natin yung highest limit o yung higher limit dun sa lower limit for every class. Okay? So, kung yung number natin dun sa first class will start at 46, so ano ngayon yung magiging higher limit natin? Sige nga, tignan natin kung nare-recall nyo. So, nag-start tayo ng 46, class interval natin is 5. So, ano yung higher limit natin dun sa first class? First class muna tayo. 46. So, anong number yung gagamitin natin so that when we deduct this number by 46, makukuha natin is 5. Anyone?
51 po ba?
Okay. 51. Right. So, 51 less 46, so that is 5, diba? So, that will be our class interval for every class. Okay, so tingnan natin. Gawin natin sa Excel format. So, ito yung mga class, ha? Wait lang. Mag-add lang tayo ng sheet para makipakita natin sa inyo kung paano siya gagawin. Okay, so ika-copy ko lang to ulit. Okay, so let's paste it here. So, ito ba yun? Tama, ito yan. Okay, so the first step is to arrange our data in an ascending order, just like what we did kanina. So, copy lang natin ulit. So, dito natin i-paste. Okay, and then we have the second column. And then the third one. Copy-paste lang tayo. And then the fourth one. Next.
Hindi mo download.
Meron ako kaso nga i-download ko eh. Mano-mano na siyang gagawin.
Hindi mo mano-mano eh.
Oo. Baka siguro limang oras ko gagawin yun.
Hindi mo download eh.
And then let's have the last column. Okay. So, those are all our number of observations. Kaso hindi lang siya naka-arrange. So, let's try to arrange them now in an ascending order. So, we just have to highlight all them. And then, dito tayo sa data. So again, pwede tayong A to Z or pwede tayong dun sa long method. So A to Z na lang muna tayo this time since alam naman nyo yung process. Okay, so meron tayong 48 hanggang 96. So yun yung highest limit natin. Okay, so let's compute for the class range now. So class range is equals to 96 less natin yung pinakamababa natin which is 48. Okay, so 48 pa rin siya. And then after that, let's try to compute now for our number of classes. Approximately ilan yung number ng classes natin. Okay, so applying again Sturge formula. So compute nga natin class. Gamitin natin yung scientific calculator. Okay, so this is 1 plus 3.322. Tapos, ilan yung number of observations natin? We have 35. Diba?
Yes po.
Okay. So, we shall be getting 6.129. Okay, 6.129. So, yun yung ating number of classes. And then after that, compute natin yung class size natin ngayon. Okay? So, paano natin compute yung class size? So, we simply divide our class range dito sa ating approximate number of classes. Okay, so 7.8. So, kung i-round off natin to, ilan siya?
Sige na.
8, di ba? 8 siya. Tama ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? So, may kausap pa ba ako?
Hindi may mga nakaalam na.
Okay. So, pwede nyo bang try gawin, class?
Ito?
Pwede nyo bang try gawin yung ano? Kahit yung sa class, ano lang. Sige, try nyo munang gawin. Kahit yung class, ano lang. Class, number of classes lang. So, take note class ha. Gamitin yung pinakamababa, 46. 46 yung ika-account natin, yung pinakamababa natin. So, nakuha natin dito is 8, yung class size natin. Okay? So, try nyo nga lang. Kahit sa scratch paper muna. Medyo sumasakit lang kasi yung class. Wait lang. Kahit 3 minutes lang. Try nyo lang sagutin yung kung makailang class, number of classes kayo. Start kayo ng 46. I-drink lang ako ng water class ha. Wait lang. Drink ako ng water. Wait lang. Tubig.
Ang lakas ng ano.
Bilisan mo lang.
Buti yung bilisan ko lang. Dahil pala sa CR ko naman yan.
Oo. Samgyup. Samgyup ko sa inyo.
Okay, so let's proceed. Nakikita ba from the screen?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay. So, balikan lang natin yung kanina na compute natin. Okay, so we have 7.83162. So, that is almost 8, di ba? So, that is the class size. So, medyo malaki yung class size natin. So, start daw tayo ng 46. Wait lang, kopyahin lang natin tong itong heading niya. Okay. 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 So let's start with the class interval. So sabi niya, mag-start daw tayo ng 46, di ba? Tama ba? 46. Format ko lang kasi baka mag-take na naman. Okay, so 46. Kaso class, yung class interval na pinapagamit niya sa atin is ilan ba? Dun sa problem. Yung pinapagamit niyang class interval sa atin is only 5. Diba? So if that is the case, then tinanong ko sa inyo kanina, so this should be 46 to 51. Okay, so class interval, wait lang. Class interval to, so 46 to 51 siya. Okay, so mag-start tayo ng 46, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. And then the next one would be ilan? Can you help me compute class? 52 hanggang? Wait lang.
57.
52 hanggang 57. And then the next will be 58 hanggang?
63.
Okay, thank you. Next one, 64 hanggang 60.
69.
Dinidictate nyo ako Tama naman yan Okay, sige. And then, 70 hanggang 76. Right?
75.
5 ma.
Then, ay, 75 ba? Hindi, kailangan kasi class interval natin 5 Wait lang, tama ba yung ginawa? 63 less 58, so 5. 69 less 64, tama, 5. So 76 less 70, mali ako. Sorry, 75, sorry. 75. And then 76 hanggang, ano yan?
81.
81. So ano ba yung highest natin? Tingnan muna natin yung highest natin. Ano ba siya? 96. Okay. And then 82 hanggang 87. Tama ba? 88 hanggang ano to?
93 po.
93. And then we have 94 hanggang
100.
100 ba? Or 99?
99. Mali siya, ma'am.
Tama, no? Hindi kasi kung minsan kasi basic di ba, addition. Siyempre nasanay na tayo nagka-calculator kasi. Kahit ako na-experience ko yan. So since nandito na yung 96 natin, dun sa highest frequency, then we stop from there. Okay? So 90, nakailang class tayo? Tingnan natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so naka 9 number of classes tayo. Okay, nawawala ako. Okay na ba? Naririnig? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so frequency na tayo ngayon. So let's count. 46 hanggang 51 tayo. 51. So hanggang dito lang tayo. So that is 4. Wait lang, ikikitna lang natin. And then, dito sa ating 52 hanggang 57. So, ano ba lang sila? And let's have 58 hanggang 63. And then we have 64 to 69. And then let's have 70 hanggang 75. '76 to 81. So that is 8. Then we go with the next one, 82 hanggang 87. Next, hanggang 93. then for our last one, we have 94 hanggang 99. So let's try to sum all these frequencies. So dapat 35 to kasi pag hindi, may nalaktawan tayo. Okay, so that is 35. Okay, so let's have the class mark naman. Class mark natin, yung kanina, formula natin ulit, add lang natin 46 plus 51 divided by 2. So that is our class mark. And then 52 plus 57 divided again by 2. And we have 58 plus 63. Next. Ay, wait lang. Next one, we have 64 plus 69. 70 plus 75. 76 plus 81. 82. Next one, last. 94 plus 99 divided by 2. Okay, so we have our class mark. So the reason why we are computing our class mark, so ito kasi yung pinaka-midpoint, is it represents, this number represents the only number for each class. Okay? So 48.5, 54.5 hanggang 96.5. Then we have our class boundaries now. You know, class, if you notice, pwede naman natin gawing rule dito sa class boundary na mag-add lang tayo talaga ng 0.5 sa dulo, mag-deduct tayo ng 0.5 sa unahan. Kasi definitely, the lower limit on the second class would be less or would be greater than 1 dun sa higher limit dun sa ating first class. Kaya laging 0.5 lang to, class. Okay? So, take note of that. So, pinapakita lang natin at kulang sa inyo, I mean, kung paano na tayo nag-arrive dun sa 0.5. Okay? So, kasi after ng 51, so, the following class would be 52. Mag-start tayo ng 52. And then, after ng 57, 58 na yan. So, magkasunod lang usually yung number. I mean, magkasunod lang lagi yung number. So, lagi lang yung 1. Siyempre, pag dinivide natin yan ng 2, so 0.5 lang lagi siya. Okay, so 45.5 to 51.5. Then 51.5 to 57.5. Then 57.5 to 63.5. 63.5 to 9.5. 75.5. Then 75.5 hanggang 81.5. 7.5. 99.5. Okay? So, ganun lang naman kasimple yung mga class boundaries natin. And then for our cumulative frequency less than, so kunin lang natin yung 4 dito. Okay, tapos gamitin natin ulit yung formula. Mag-add lang tayo ng 2 dito, class. Okay, so let's copy the formula hanggang dito sa baba. Okay, so it will be equal to the number of observations. Okay? And then dito sa greater than, start tayo ng 35. Tapos formula natin, 35 less 4 dun sa frequency. So, makukuha natin 31. Let us copy the formula. So, we have 2. Okay? So, 2 would be equal to the number of frequency dun sa ating last class. Okay? Sa 94 to 99, we have 2 frequency. So, magiging 2 din yan. And then, for our relative frequency, kunin lang natin yung percentage equivalent for every frequency divided by the total number of observations, which is 35. So again, since hindi yan naka-format, format muna natin sa percentage para makuha natin. So format cells, kailangan naka-percentage siya. And then whole number na tayo. So wala siyang decimal place value. Okay, so that is 11%. Okay, so let us copy the formula hanggang baba. Okay, so this is the corresponding percentage equivalence. Then let's take the total of it. So 100